Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add age guidelines to your Roblox game. First of all, to add age guidelines, you have to go to the create section on the top. A new page will open. From here, you have to go to the creations where you'll be able to see all of the games that are created by you. For instance, I have created only one single game, so I will click on my game. If you have created multiple games, you will see all of them on this page. So select the game that you want to add age guidelines. And after that, you have to go down in the audience section. You will see maturity and compliance. Click on it. Again, a new page will open. I have already started the questionnaire, so that's why it's asking me to resume. But if you're new, then it will ask you to start. Click on the start button. From here, it will ask you some questions. Does this experience contain violence or violent content? Select the options that resonates with your game. If it contains yes, select yes or no based on your game. Click on save and continue, and it will ask you so many questions. So I will fast forward the video. And as you can see, after submitting, the restricted label cannot be removed. Only age verified 17 plus users will be able to access your experience. So once I submit, then it will change my age guidelines on Roblox game. You cannot edit this after you submit it. So you can always edit before submitting, and that's how you can add age guidelines to your Roblox game. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.